we are in Pigeon Forge, yes, at the old mill. We're going to give you guys a tour. It's after hours, so hopefully it's not going to be as busy. Give you a little tour of the Christmas lights, some of the buildings, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. So let's go and check it out. Alright everyone, tonight we are in Pigeon Forge. We're at the Old Mill District, established in 1830. Here's a little bridge when you walk in, and this is the noise you're hearing, the mill. So right back there with the Christmas lights on is the restaurant, and here's the mill. Got Jared. So we're going to give you guys a tour of some of these buildings, well, the outsides of them because they're all closed. The lights. So over here is the Millstone Village shop. There is the Old Mill restaurant and the gift shop.
From 1830 it says.
Yep, 1830.
1830. We were just in the old forge over there. Very expensive moonshine.
Oh, the Old Forge Distillery. Beautiful with the lights here. Some buildings down there. I can't really see what they are because it's dark. Oh, it tells you right here. Old Forge Plaza. And then,
Down there, window shop.
sure, why not? Let's go. Got the Iron Mountain Metal. What's that say? Can't see.
Iron Mountain Metalworks.
Metalworks? Is that what that says? Metal Craft.
Make swords.
Yep, here's the store. The finishing touch. Not much window shopping here. But why not? And then you can build your own belt at the Laying Leather. And over here is Golden Memories. Some jewelry. Ooh, a soap store. Yes. Bath salts and oh my goodness, look at all those bath bombs. Come back here tomorrow when it's open. This is called the Pigeon Forge Soap Company. Got a little bear greeting you outside. Oh, he even has, look, he has his little bath scrubber. Oh, they have all kinds of bath stuff. Down here is stone carving, Jared. Got these little people made of stone. Oh, those are beautiful. Alright, so now we're going to take you back here to the main. Oh man, someone lost their popcorn. So there's the buildings with all the lights. What is that fire thing in there? See it? Is that a tent?
Probably for outside eating. They have a fire or canvas.
They had a little fire pit there a little bit ago. There's a little fountain. We'll walk over there in a second. There's a little popcorn kiosk right there. Decorated.
Corn.
Yeah. Yeah. And then over there is Patriot Park back that way. They have the Christmas lights. So down there is that. Out, that's the out. What's that noise? That's someone's car. Alright, and up here is the farmhouse kitchen. Small batch jams and jellies and copper kettle cooked. Show you some of the decorations. Head out the way. You can see Christmas stuff they sell. Little tree with the bears in it. Still have their fall stuff out. Not even Thanksgiving yet. Got some more stuff over here. Oh, here's the fudge shop.
Yeah.
Saltwater taffy.
Spring water.
Oh, I'm used to the saltwater taffy, that's why. It threw me off. And this is where it looks like they probably make their taffy.
It's the candy making place.
Yeah. Alright,
Right there so you can see it.
That is cool. So then here's the little candy kitchen and the farmhouse kitchen. Give you guys. Oh, here's a little map of the place.
I do suggest if you want to go to the restaurant, have about 3 hours to waste.
Yeah, because half that's going to be spent waiting to get into the place. Here's the pottery place. Or what? Actually, what is it called? Pottery?
The Pottery Barn?
The Pottery Barn.
Look at that. $12 for 2 bags. Can't beat that.
California, yes. Here's a little water fountain. Whoops.
What's so Christmas here?
Pigeon River pottery. Oh, these trees are pretty. Look at those trees.
Cool.
Sorry, folks. Gotta look at my reflection. Can't really film that without it. Oh, those are pretty too. Pretty little bells. I don't know if you guys can even see this. $89 for the. This is Sassafras, unique jewelry and gifts. Oh, very smoky out here. The ice cream shop. Oh, that's cute. The creamery. Yummy. God, that smoke. Ugh. Blowing right down this way. So here's the Pottery House Grill and Cafe. It looks like they are still open. What's your outdoor dining possibly?
Yeah, I think
And this
so.
beautiful tree here. Oh look, here's a little bear. Little bear. Most wonderful time of the year. So this is a very small tour. There's really not much over here in terms of walking and showing you, I guess, besides the lights. Everything's closed. We can go over here, Jerry, walk that way. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this rather short walking tour. Ooh, look at that.
Very, very
Looks like it was for a private event.
Christmas party, maybe.
Yeah.
Not yet. Not even Thanksgiving.
Well,
Oh, look at those folks over there making bread.
at the Pottery House? Oh, over here, I can show you guys these stores. Let's see what we got over here. The Randall Ogle Gallery. Cat house down there, look at that. Not sure what that is. Oh, look at these pictures. So this is the Randall Ogle Gallery. Beautiful bear.
There's a popcorn supper. Father of Shine.
Hold on, Jared. These photos are really pretty. Look at them. Come over here and look.
You see this guy right here? That's the father of Moonshine. Popcorn supper.
Is that the kind of moonshiners? Look at the little piggy and the cow.
I don't know if he's alive.
Ooh, look at this picture. This is pretty. Alright, what did you want to show me over here, Jared?
It's the same thing.
No.
There's another one.
More bears. There's the church in Cades Cove. More photos. Look at this beautiful one right here.
You want knives, stock, or
Lock,
gadgets,
stock, and blade.
or, you know, knives, gadgets, or contraptions that are in there.
Little farm or fall decorations here. Alright, so these are the fall decorations.
And folks, if you are big into Christmas, remember, that's the reason.
Yes.
Not these guys.
But they're adorable.
You know, they
Yeah.
help, but they're not the reason.
What is this? The chest and chair. Huh.
Oh man, you could come to do some
Olive oil?
taste testing of some
Olive oils. It's called
vinaigrettes.
gourmet olive oil balsamic vinaigrettes. Huh? Another candle shop? Ooh. I'm about to come back here later. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get a photo of this because it's really cute. Or a video. I'm gonna have to come back here.
Folks over there, working their tails off with that, right?
Oh, yeah.
Butterfest for the moment.
There's the nativity scene. Got the little bears. Tree. Oh, there's a little doggy. A fox? No, the dog.
Oh.
I know what. I saw that too. A little farm or barn. These plates are really pretty. I'm not picking up right on camera though. I don't know what this store is. Then here is Treasures Jewelry and Gift Shop. Looks like everybody's leaving. That means. Alright folks, so that concludes our tour of the Old Mill District in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.
If you're in Pigeon Forge, I suggest you stop by because it is a cool little walk around once the stores are open.
Yes. Or even when the stores are closed, if you want to look around without everyone being in your way and not really being able to do much because there's so many people over here. And also, if you want to get here earlier if you can.
That train is a chugging.
Yes, and parking I'm sure fills up fast here. But there is back here Patriot Park parking. So there's always that. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and share if you're feeling extra generous. There's the
Folks left the fire
fire going. Oh look, a little bench. Alright everyone, so that concludes our tour. And once again, I hope you enjoyed it. And there'll be plenty more tours, walking tours, coming in the future.